Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a special omelet. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them thoroughly with 1 tablespoon of milk or water. This adds a lovely fluffiness. Remember to season your egg mixture with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in an 8-inch nonstick pan over medium heat, ensuring it coats the entire surface. Once your pan is ready, pour in the egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds to begin setting. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan, tilting the pan to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process until the top of the omelet is mostly set but still appears slightly moist. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Now for the special part, your fillings. Add your chosen ingredients, such as shredded cheese, fresh herbs, or pre-sautéed vegetables, onto 1/2 of the omelet. Make sure any vegetables are finely chopped or pre-cooked to ensure they heat through quickly. Gently fold the other half of the omelet over the fillings. Cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing the cheese to melt and the fillings to warm. Finally, carefully slide your perfectly cooked, special omelet onto a warm plate. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chives or a light sprinkle of paprika. This simple addition truly elevates the presentation. Enjoy your delicious creation immediately. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.